This is the new second generation Echo Show. Let's open it, set it up, and check it out. We'll also do some tests next to the previous version. Hi, my name is Craig. This is part of my weekly Echo series. Check out the description. I'll put links in there so you can check out the new Echoes. This is week number 41 of my 52-week Echo video challenge. If you haven't, please check out some of the other videos. Let's dive into this. So this is generation 2. Big change on this is they've increased the screen size. And they've kept a very similar shape to the previous version. In the box we have the power adapter, and that looks like about it. Now if you're familiar with the previous version of the Echo Show, you'll see that they have a very similar wedge shape. The second generation Echo Show is $229 and has been designed with a 10-inch screen, a built-in smart hub, and better sound with 2 side-firing speakers and a bass radiator. This does have Dolby Digital sound, so when you are watching Prime Video, it has a built-in camera, 4 microphones on top, and 4 microphones in the front. Volume controls are on top, along with a mute button for the microphones. You have your power cord, a micro USB. Now let's fire this thing up. We're plugged in, going through the startup process. Like the previous Echo Show, you don't need to use the app in order to get this set up. Something to keep in mind when buying an Echo Show is it is going to be registered to you and your Amazon account by default. If you are going to buy it as a gift for somebody else, you do need to check the gift option. That way it doesn't get pre-registered to your account and it'll start off as a fresh Echo. So mine already recognizes that it's my Echo Show. Yes, that's me. We'll just leave it defaulted to my Echo Show. And of course, being a new device, let's do the update. So it's gathered information from the other Echo devices and is already online. So they've definitely simplified the process even further. If this is your first Echo device, you're probably going to have some additional steps that I don't have, such as entering your Wi-Fi information so it can do the download. I skipped over the video that gives you a little introduction, but now we're ready to go. So first thing I'm going to do, you could swipe down to get to your settings. I'm going to change the wake word under device options, and we're going to change that wake word so that we don't trigger devices at home. We'll change it to computer so it matches the rest of mine. So looking at it right off the bat, I do love the bigger size screen. Let's do some side-by-side comparisons between the Generation 2 and the first generation. Since the new software update, you can open up a web browser. You have to go under your settings for web options and select either Firefox or Silk as your web browser. Computer, open Firefox. You see, we now have a web browser to start browsing things. In playing with Firefox, I did find I wasn't able to access Hulu or Netflix. I haven't tried the Silk browser, but hopefully I'll have better luck with that. Now, I haven't played too much with the browsers, but I'll go deeper into them in future videos. And let's just grab a video. You can go full screen. And looking initially, the 6-inch first generation Echo screen seems like it is brighter than the new 10-inch screen. Let's look at settings. That's at 50%. And that's at 50%. Interesting. It doesn't appear to be an angle thing. Okay. Wow. This one, Generation 1, does seem significantly brighter. Let's try turning up the brightness. The Generation 1 still seems brighter. So that's a little look at the video right there. Let's open up something on Prime. And let's grab an action movie so we could hear the sound. Right off the bat though, you can see that the new Echo is utilizing the screen space better than the previous version. We'll grab Transformers. Let's start off with the volume on this one. And let's switch. Switch back. can actually feel the bass radiating out of the back. You can feel air movement out of the back. This definitely has a fuller, richer sound to it. This isn't bad for the first generation and a little thing. Now let's try this again.
Where in hell is your so-called magician?
He will be here, Lancelot. He swore it.
Definitely a big sound improvement in the new version. The bigger side-firing speakers definitely help the sound. The bass radiator out of the back is also helping out a lot. The larger screen definitely helps make this a better media device, especially being able to access YouTube, something that's missing for quite a while. It's great to see back. We'll look at the sound on both of them. I think the front-firing speakers, they sound good, but they're not as full, and you don't really realize it's not as full of a sound until you hear these. I think the fabric helps out a lot. The bass radiator on the back, definitely you feel some air movement out of it. I'm impressed with the sound out of this thing. I did have to make sure not to turn the music up all the way because it was very loud. That's a little look at the two Echo side by side. Let's get this out of the way. That's our unboxing and introduction to the new Echo Show. I will do some more videos on this after I've used it for a while. I do like the sound. I think the larger screen is going to be a big improvement. The software improvements and the web browser, I think, are going to bring a lot more functionality to this. I will dive deeper into the Smart Hub portion of it and share my experiences with that. If there's more you'd like to learn about the Echo Show, let me know in the comment section so I can include it in a future video. I do have a question for you. Are you planning on ordering a new Echo Show or have any interest in one? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't, consider subscribing and click that bell to be notified of next week's video. If you'd like to help support the channel, check out the Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it, use it, and Amazon will kick this channel back a little. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.